Welcome to Power BI demo. Today I'll do a demo on how to convert a column in a table to be monetary value. Let's say, for example, you got one column, it's got all the numbers and you want to convert those numbers to dollars or any currency. So the first thing you do, you go to you create your table, or you just go straight away to the fields and you look for the field which you want to convert to any monetary value. So on our case, you want this field which is called total cost. So you click the total cost. Then the second thing, you'd go to the column, and then it will be on a format section. And what you want to change now, you want to change this to the currency. So that is being changed to the currency. So what you can do now, you can just we have added here, because this is default, which is dollar, but we can change to another currency type. Let's do that. So we do to the euro. As you can see, that have changed to the euro, and so that's the easiest way. And as you go back to that, in case you're not getting two decimal places, also that one is quite quick to convert. So what you need to do, you just need to come here and just change if you want two decimal places or three or one or whatever you need. Just change there. You can go up or down. Thank you very much for watching Power BI demo channel. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and share.